Hello friends, Faizan here. I created this video for the sake of ComputerFlix family security. This video is a must for all who are having mobile phones and computers, even for those who are using cloud infrastructure. So don't miss the video and watch till the end. Meltdown and Spectre are two vulnerabilities in modern computers and smartphones, which leaks passwords and sensitive data and allow malware to access sensitive data without privileges. If you are not aware of malware, then check out my video series on malware. The link is available in the description down below. Meltdown and Spectre CPU bugs are found in modern and old CPUs designed by Intel, ARM, and AMD. Meltdown and Spectre are basically hardware vulnerabilities which allow programs to steal users' data currently processed on a computer, potentially putting a wide variety of sensitive information such as stored passwords, crypto keys, and files at risk. Meltdown and Spectre vulnerabilities are verified on personal computers, mobile devices, and in most of the cloud computing platforms, so all are affected. Now talk about them separately. What is Meltdown? Rogue Data Cache Load CVE 2017-575 is a known version of Meltdown. This vulnerability basically melts security boundaries which are normally enforced by the hardware and read the contents of private kernel memory from an unprivileged user process. Meltdown fundamentally breaks the memory isolation boundaries. This attack allows a program to access the system memory and other important data and aspects of a program. If your computer has a vulnerable processor and running an operating system which is outdated, then it is not safe to work with sensitive information without the chance of leaking the information. This attack is still limited to personal desktop computers, laptops, and cloud infrastructure. If I say in technical way, then every Intel processor which implements out-of-order execution is potentially affected. This vulnerability exploiting Intel processors since 1995 except Intel Itanium and Atom family earlier than 2013. As per current reports, the team has only verified Meltdown on Intel processors. Right now, it is unclear whether AMD processors are also affected by Meltdown. According to ARM, some of their processors are also affected. What is a Spectre? It has two variants. Variant 1, Bounce Check Bypass CVE 2017-5753. Variant 2, Branch Target Injection CVE 2017-571. Spectre extract information from other running process. For example, it enables one browser to steal cookies from another browser. The name is fundamentally based on the root cause, speculative execution. Spectre is not easy to fix, so it will affect us for quite a long time. This attack exploits a computer technology called branch prediction. In branch prediction, sometimes misprediction takes place which left the data behind in cache memory for attackers. The cache memory is accessed by a hacker using side channel attack. I will soon upload a video on side channel attack. Make sure you have subscribed and click the bell icon to get more updates on time. So, if your sensitive data is left behind during a misprediction, you will be screwed. Intel on this officially announced that they will completely redesign its processors. Spectre is harder to exploit than Meltdown, but it is also harder to mitigate. However, it is possible to prevent Spectre attacks up to an extent. Almost every system is affected by Spectre, like desktop, laptop, cloud servers, as well as smartphones. In particular, the team and associate has verified Spectre on Intel, AMD, and ARM processors. What is the difference between Meltdown and Spectre? Meltdown breaks the mechanism of memory isolation. Consequently, application can access system memory. Spectre enables one program to steal data from another program. Both bugs use side channel attack to obtain the information from the accessed memory location. Thanks to God, patches are available to create obstacles. Meltdown issue is fixed as of now, but Spectre is not. Companies are only trying too hard to hack devices. It's been quite a long time. Companies are working on them, but they are unable to find a proper fix for Meltdown and Spectre. Time for conclusion. If you are using any smartphone, desktop PC, and laptop, these devices have two hardware bugs named Spectre and Meltdown. If you want to get rid of these bugs, you need to upgrade your devices as soon as operating system or security patches are available. That's it. Forget the rest. Be happy and safe. If you want to learn more, check out my blog post, or for deep information check published paper on Meltdown and Spectre. The links are in the description down below. Disadvantages of upgrading to Meltdown and Spectre patches. If you upgrade your computer, laptop and smartphone with Meltdown and Spectre patches, it will cause a slow PC performance. In most of the cases, the anti-malware suite doesn't allow you to install the patch. In that case, make some changes in Windows registry keys. I have put the registry key path in the description down below. So guys, that's it for the video. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up. Also share and comment. Thanks guys for watching Computer Flix.